Ever wondered if you could seamlessly transfer your YouTrip funds straight to your bank account? It's a question that often pops up, especially when you've got a balance and want to access it in a more traditional way. In this video, we're diving deep into that very question. YouTrip, a popular multi-currency wallet, has revolutionized the way we handle foreign currencies. Its sleek interface and convenient features have made it a go-to for many travelers. But can it also be your go-to for transferring funds back to your local bank? Let's break it down. As of now, YouTrip doesn't offer a direct transfer feature to bank accounts. This means you can't simply initiate a transfer from your YouTrip balance to your designated bank account. So, what are your options? While YouTrip doesn't have a direct transfer feature, there are a few workarounds you can consider. In-app purchases. Online shopping. Use your YouTrip balance to make online purchases at merchants that support foreign transactions. Physical purchases. If you're in a country where YouTrip is accepted, you can use your physical YouTrip card to make purchases. Currency conversion. Exchange for local currency. You can exchange your YouTrip balance for local currency at authorized exchange outlets. Transfer to another digital wallet. If you have a digital wallet that supports transfers to bank accounts, you might be able to transfer your YouTrip funds to it. Why the limitation? You might wonder why YouTrip hasn't implemented a direct bank transfer feature. It's likely due to a combination of factors, including regulatory hurdles, processing fees, and the complexities of international transfers. Staying updated. While YouTrip doesn't currently offer direct bank transfers, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on their updates and announcements. The company is constantly evolving, and new features could be introduced in the future. While YouTrip is a fantastic tool for managing foreign currencies, it's important to understand its limitations. Direct bank transfers aren't currently supported, but there are alternative methods to access your funds. As always, it's recommended to check YouTrip's official website or app for the most accurate and up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.